Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get back old Yahoo email account. So what we're going to do once we're here in the Yahoo login page is we're going to sign in as usual. So you're going to type in your username, your email, or could also be your mobile number. And after that, just click on next. Then you're going to type in your password. So basically, we're just signing in into our account like the usual. So after you've typed in your password, they will just send you a verification code via your recovery email or recovery phone number in order to verify your identity since your account has been deactivated because you haven't been using it for a long time. Or if you don't remember your password, you can also click on forgotten password, and then you're just going to select an option on how you can sign it into your account. So they will give you an option to sign in either with your recovery email or a recovery phone number that you have linked into your account. And after that, they will prompt you to create a new password. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.